Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, please you're welcome to my channel. If you've not subscribed, please subscribe and click the notification bell so that whenever I upload new video you'll be notified. Today I'll be making simple kaftan. I have 3 meters 4 inches because of my length, 3 meters 4 inches, and the fabric is by 60, and my length is 60 inches plus 2 inches seam allowance is 62, so the length is 62. So I folded my fabric into 4 like this. So my sleeve length is 31, and 31 I will have a band on the wrist here, so I will have like 3 inches band, so I'll minus 3 inches from 31. 3 minus 31 is 31 minus 3 is 28, plus half inch seam allowance to join it to the band is 28 and half. So from the edge here I'll measure 28 and half. This is 28 and half here, the line here is 28 and half from the edge here. So my sleeve length, for you to get your sleeve length, is from your center back. You will measure from your center back. You will measure from your center back to where you want your sleeve to stop. So I'll mark my neck width of 4 inches. Is optional. Neck width and neck depth is optional. Any neckline of your choice. And neck depth of 4.5. I'll connect it. So on this side, I'll mark 3 inches for shoulder slant. Then I'll connect it to the neckline. From shoulder to this line is 3 inches. I connected it to the neckline, shoulder slant. So from this line to this point is 5 inches. Is half of my round sleeve. 5 inches. Half of my round sleeve. My round sleeve is 10. Divided by 2 is 5, so it's 5. So from shoulder here to this line is 30 inches. So you can mark yours wherever you want it, from your hip line, below your hip, your knee length, before your knee length, even on your knee length, anywhere you want it, depending on where you want yours to start. But I want this one to start from 30 inches. So on this side, I'll use quarter of my hip measurement. My hip measurement is 46. 46 divided by 4 is 11.5 plus ease. So you can add how many inches you want for your ease. Maybe 2 inches, 2.5, because you add it in a way that you can walk freely. So like mine, I'll add 2.5. So 11.5 plus 2.5 is 14 inches. So from the edge here to this line is 14 inches. 14 inches. So I'll mark 14 inches to the end. From this 14 inches, I'll connect it to this line. This is half of my round sleeve. I added a seam allowance. From that seam allowance, I'll connect it to this point. Then you blend this point so that it will not be sharp. So I'll connect it now. I've added seam allowance, 1 inch seam allowance. I'll cut it on the seam allowance line, this line, to the end. Then I'll sew on this line. On the shoulder here, I'll cut shoulder slant. Then I'll cut the neckline. I'll do it and show you. I'll open it, but to make it easier, I pin it. You can see it's four. 1, 2, 3, 4. So this is 2. I pin 2 together. Also on the neckline, 2. I pin 2 together. So I'll open it now. So this is my band. This is the band. 7 inches by 11 inches, because my round sleeve is 10 inches and the band is 3 inches. So I'll fold the band like this. It's 3.5 inches for seam allowance on this side to join it to this side. Then my round sleeve is 10 inches. I have 11 inches here, 1/2 inch on this side and 1/2 inch on this side to join it. So what I'll do now, I have 2 for the both sleeve. So what I'll do now is to use 1/2 inch to join the shoulder. I'll do the same on the other one. Then after that, I'll open this like this. And so and join the band. After that, I'll put it back like this and sew it from, band will be here, from here to the end. I'll do the same on the other side. So after that, I will use bias to finish the neckline, and I'll also hem the lower part. I'll do it and show you. I've joined the shoulder, the 2 sides. I fixed band on this one, but I'll show you how to fix it. So I'll open the seam and put it like this side like this. The right side, this is right side of the fabric, and this is the band, this is right side. You put it like this, equal, and you put it like this, right side, you put it like this and use 1/2 inch to join it. After that, it will be like this. So after joining the band, the next thing to do is to sew it to the end, and the same on this side. After that, you will use bias to finish the neckline and fold the lower part, hem the lower part. I'll do it and show you. This is the dress I've finished. I use bias on the neckline. I will use this on the band and also on the neckline. So I got this from lace fabric. You can use applique of your choice. I will use fabric gum or needle and thread to attach it. I will use needle and thread, but you can use fabric gum if you want. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.